Looking at two different questions here to do with the probability. I want to focus on this one first. Amir makes a fair spinner with 6 sectors. You can see the numbers there, it's just a spinner. There are 5 different words here, you can see. Use a word from the box which best describes the probability of each of the following events. The spinner will land on 6. Well, there's no chance, impossible. It's impossible because there isn't a 6 on that spinner. Find the probability that the spinner will land on a 3. Well, you can see here, half of the spinner is made up of 3. Okay, so that's even chance. Evens, 50-50, right? Half. You need to find the probability that the spinner will land on a 2. Well, there's only one number there with a 2 on it. It's unlikely. There is a chance, but unlikely. The spinner will land on a number greater than 1. Well, all of these numbers are greater than 1. It is certain. So this one is certain. Right, looking at the question on the left now. Here's a dice. There are 6 faces, 6 different outcomes. Mark the probability of each of the following events on the probability scale. That the dice lands on an even number. Remember, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even number is 2, 4, 6. Half of those are even numbers, right? 3 of those out of 6 are even numbers. So that's 3/6 is the probability that it will land on an even number, right? 3 in 6 chance, or 3 in 6, you can call it a half. Halfway is right here. So it refers to A, this one here. Next one, the dice lands on the number 5. Well, there's only one. If you look at all the numbers there again, I'll show you. There's only one face with a 5 on it, only one face. That's one face out of 6 outcomes. And that's going to be right here. That'll be B. Right, if you look at this scale over here, I'm not explaining that. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts there, right? Because there are 6 faces on that dice. So this one I'm referring to is 1 in 6 chance, 1/6. That one's done. Last one there. The dice lands on a number less than 5. A number less than 5, if you look at these numbers again, number less than 5's, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers there. So there's a 5 out of 6 chance that it will land on a number less than 5. Is that correct though? Nope, that is not correct. It says less than 5. So really, I should not include this, should I? If it was less than or equal to, then I could have done that. Less than 5, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's really 4 out of 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here is C.